Hello everyone. Today we're going to make strawberry
Shortcake.
Shortcake with walking and biscuits, sugar, and strawberries. And then we can mix it. Like this.
Okay, what is the first thing we have to do?
Get the strawberries and cut it. Let's blend it. Let's cut. And that was the fruit. One more strawberry and I can cut it. Oh, Mommy, when it's dark, that means it's super tasty.
Yeah.
And that means it has more flavor than those. But the dark ones are the flavor ones.
Yeah.
And the light ones are not the flavor ones. It's got your eye. You'll be right here. They have eyes. They have a lot of eyes because the seeds are their eyes. Yum. Add some sugar. There you go. No, that's not that. Enough. I mean some more. Let's mix it. Leave it on the table for 10 minutes, and it pretty much looks like it's cold.
Oh yeah, like it's frozen? Is that what you're saying?
If you need help, just watch this video. If you want to subscribe
And give a thumbs up.
Leave your strawberries on the table, and then get your biscuits. Put it in here, and if you don't want to buy some, just cook some from scratch.
Oh, good. All right.
How do I do that? Down nicely, and then put it all around. Sticky line. Oops, stick and fat. I'm making one. I don't know.
There's 2 in there, Nana.
Put it nicely or it'll mess up. And if you eat it, it's going to give you a tummy ache.
Now, if you eat it uncooked, yeah. Make sure you leave in spaces, guys. Make sure you leave enough space.
This is one. Now you have to put it in the oven. Biscuit. One here. And yes, color. And the top. top on it?
On the side. Good job, Nana. Cut it. Other way. The knife goes the other way.
Now I just put one cream. I want that one.
You want that one?
Ooh, I got huge one.
Wow.
Now I just put it top.
Yeah, put it on top of the whipped cream.
Put some more. One side. Ooh, juicy.
Good job.
But it's okay. It's okay.
Good job. Now you can eat it.
Now I just taste it first. I think it's good.
It's good? Do you want a spoon? Yeah.
Put some strawberries. That's my spoon.
I don't know. There was 2 spoons now.
It tastes good.
Yeah? You like it? I'm glad you like it.
For the strawberries? Or the other one? Mom, for the strawberries? How do I do it?
Shake it and then let me help. That's good? Yeah?